Hi students, this is Sivaprasad. This session I am explaining about Schrödinger wave equation. The fundamental equation of quantum mechanics was developed by Schrödinger. According to Schrödinger wave equation, the three-dimensional concept of electron was discussed by Schrödinger only. Actually, it explains the three-dimensional concept of an electron. This equation is based on Heisenberg uncertainty principle and de Broglie's wave theory. Schrödinger equation is written as dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square e minus v into psi equal to 0, where psi is wave function, m is mass of the electron. We know already the value of mass of the electron is 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kgs. H is Planck's constant. Its value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. E is total energy of electron. V is potential energy. X, Y, Z are coordinates. Look at now we will discuss about significance of psi. We know psi is the wave function. Look at the first point. It does not any physical significance. So psi having no any physical significance. It is represented by set of three quantum numbers. Three quantum numbers. These three quantum numbers are principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and magnetic quantum number. So it is depending upon principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and magnetic quantum number. We have discussed already in the previous video about the quantum numbers. The probability function d is equal to 4 pi r square dr into psi square. The probability function d is equal to 4 pi r square dr psi square. For calculating probability function, we have to use this formula 4 pi r square dr into psi square. And a radial distance small r are called radial probability distribution curves. The space where the probability of finding electron is maximum is called an orbital. See student, the statement for orbital. The space where the probability of finding an electron is maximum is called an orbital. See, psi is wave function. Psi square is probability function. Psi is wave function and psi square is probability function. the maximum probability of finding an electron is 95%. So this is the Schrodinger wave equation and significance of psi. Look at now, we will discuss about shapes of orbitals. We know already the space where the probability of finding an electron is maximum is called an orbital. Look at the s orbital. For any s orbital, azimuthal quantum number L value is 0. For any s orbital, azimuthal quantum number value L is equal to 0. Look at now, if n equal to 1, L equal to 0, then it is called 1s orbital. If n equal to 2, L equal to 0, then it is 2s orbital. And similarly, if n equal to 3, L equal to 0, it is 3s orbital. For any s orbital, azimuthal quantum number L value is 0. So, s orbital shape is spherical. The shape of s orbital is spherical and it is a non-directional orbital. Look at the shape. So, this is the shape of s orbital. So this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So this is the shape of s orbital. The shape of s orbital is spherical. Here, size of the orbital increases with increasing in principal quantum number values. For example, n equal to 1, 2 and 3. Here, for 1s orbital, compared with 1s orbital, 2s orbital size is more. Compared with 3s orbital size is more, and so on. So for example, for this is the 1s orbital shape. Suppose in case of 2s orbital shape, you have to take like this. 3s orbital shape, you have to take like this. So this is the s orbital and shape of the s orbital. Look at now, we will discuss about shapes of the p orbitals. For p orbital, if n equal to 2, L equal to 1, then it is called 2p orbital. If n equal to 3, L equal to 1, then it is 3p orbital. If n equal to 4, L equal to 1, then it is 4p orbital. For any p orbital, n value is gradually increasing, but L value remains constant. For any p orbital, L value is 1. If L value is 1, then magnetic quantum number m has 3 values. If L equal to 1, magnetic quantum number m has 3 values: -1, 0 and +1. In a p subshell, the 3 orbitals are represented So in a p subshell, the 3 orbitals are represented as px, py and pz. Px orbital, py orbital and pz orbital. So these 3 orbitals are called degenerate orbitals. So degenerate orbitals means they are almost same energy level of the orbitals. The shape of p orbital is dumbbell. The shape of p orbital is dumbbell. The shape of p orbital is dumbbell. Look at the dumbbell diagrams. Here all the lobes are laid on the axis. px orbital, py orbital and pz orbital, all the lobes are laid on the axis. So all the three orbitals are here directional orbitals. I am drawing the shapes of p orbitals. Look at the diagram. Lobe is laid on the x-axis, then it is called px orbital. X-axis and y-axis. So lobe is laid on the x-axis. So it is called px orbital. The lobe is laid on the y-axis. So this is called py orbital. The lobe is laid on the z-axis. So this is pz orbital. Lobe is laid on the x-axis. So it is called px orbital. Lobe is laid on the y-axis. It is py orbital. And lobe is laid on the z-axis. So it is called pz orbital. These are the shapes of p orbitals. So shape of p orbital is dumbbell. So this is the dumbbell shape. So in this p orbitals, lobes oriented on the axis. Lobes oriented on the axis. That's why these are directional orbitals. In case of p orbitals, with increasing in the principal quantum number n values, here energy and size also increase for p orbitals. Look at now. 2p less than, 3p less than, 4p less than, so on. So here principal quantum number n value is increasing 2, 3, 4 and so on. So size and energy also increases. Look at now about d orbital. If n equal to 3, L equal to 2, then it is called 3d orbital. If n equal to 4, L equal to 2, then it is 4d orbital. If n equal to 5, L equal to also 2, it is 5d orbital. For any d orbital, L value is 2. For any d orbital, L value is 2 only. So here, depending upon L value, m values are also possible. If L equal to 2, magnetic quantum number m has 5 values: -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. For d orbital, L value is 2. If special quantum number L value is 2, then magnetic quantum number m has 5 values. So here 5 d orbitals are possible. They are dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square and dz square. So these 5 are d orbitals. So d subshell has 5 orbitals. They are dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square and dz square. All the 5 orbitals are degenerate orbitals. They have almost same energy. Look at now, we will discuss about the shape of d orbitals. The shape of d orbital is double dumbbell. So the shape of d orbital is double dumbbell. Here lobes laid between the axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, so this is the dxy orbital. And look at second one. dyz orbital also lobe laid between the axis only. So this is z-axis and this is y-axis. So this is dyz orbital. Here also lobes laid between the axis. And third one, dxz orbital. This is dxz or zx orbital. So in case of dxy, dyz and dzx orbitals, here lobes laid between the axis. Lobes laid between the axis. Here between x-axis and y-axis. Here between z-axis and y-axis. Here between z-axis and x-axis. So lobes oriented between the axis. And in case of dx square y square and dz square, this is dx square y square. This is the dx square y square orbital. Look at now, in case of dx square y square orbital, lobes laid on the axis. So lobes oriented on the x-axis and y-axis. In case of dz square orbital, here main lobe is laid on the z-axis, and also here in middle one spherical line is circulated. So this is dz square orbital. This is the shape of dz square orbital. In case of dz square orbital, mainly lobes laid on the z-axis. Lobes laid on the z-axis. So these are the 5 degenerate orbitals. So these are the structure of d orbital. So finally the shape of d orbital is double dumbbell. Look at next, we will discuss about f orbital. If n equal to 4, L equal to 3, then it is called 4f orbital. If n equal to 5 and L equal to 3, it is 5f orbital. For any f orbital, L value is 3. We have discussed already for any s orbital L value 0, any p orbital L value 1, any d orbital L value 2, and like that here for any f orbital L value is 3. If L equal to 3, then m has 7 values: -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, and +3. So here 7 f orbitals will be formed. The shape of f orbital is four-fold dumbbell. The shape of the f orbital is 4-4 dumbbell. Actually, the shapes of f orbital we can't draw on the plane because it is in 3D. In 3-dimensional geometry only we can draw and we can imagine. So in 3D only we can draw all the structures of f orbitals. That's why the shape of f orbital is 4-4 dumbbell. We can't draw on the plane. So finally, the shapes of s orbital is spherical, shapes of p orbital dumbbell, and shapes of d orbital double dumbbell, and the shapes of f orbital 4-fold dumbbell. So thanks for watching, my dear students. Thank you. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.